Hello everyone, I'm Kajal Saini, your English teacher, and welcome in my class today. So dear students, today we are going to discuss about antonyms. Okay, what is antonyms? Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. Okay, means those words are having opposite meanings, that is your antonyms. Okay, so dear students, as you know, in our previous class we have discussed about synonyms. So synonyms word are having similar and same meanings, and in this case antonym words are having opposite and different meaning. Okay, so let's see some example of it. Like above means upper, so upper example opposite meaning is below. Okay, opposite word of above is below. So next is afraid. Afraid means डरा हुआ. So opposite meaning of afraid is fearless. Opposite word of afraid is fearless. Clear? Next one is alike. Alike means same. So opposite word of alike is different. Alag. Okay. Next, all means every. So every opposite meaning, every opposite word is none. Next one is you are beautiful. If you are giving compliment to someone, so we can say you are looking beautiful, pretty. Okay, so opposite meaning of beautiful is ugly. Next one is begin. Let's begin. Let's start this lesson. So opposite meaning of it, opposite word of it, and. Clear? So next one is bottom. So opposite word of bottom is top. Opposite word of bottom is top. Next one is bright. So opposite word of bright is dull. Okay, so dear students, here are so many example of antonyms. So let's have some more example like big and small, cannot, careful and careless, catch, throw, and cold and hot. These are very simple example, but it will help you in your vocabulary also. So you should know about their meanings also in Hindi. So cold, hot, catch, throw. Catch means pakadna and throw means feckna. Careful, if you are saying be careful, and careless, he is very careless. Okay, he is very careless. Next one is can and cannot. If we are saying to someone, if we are praising someone, so you can do it. Okay, and in that negative sense you can say you cannot do this. Clear? Next is create. Create opposite meaning is destroy. You can create a history. Okay, you can destroy it. So create opposite meaning is destroy. Destroy means तबाह करना. Create means कुछ नया करना, बनाना, and destroy means तबाह करना. So this is the opposite word of create. Clear? So cry. You know very well the cry meaning is rona. So opposite word of cry is laugh. Laugh means hasna. Dark opposite meaning is light. Clear? Deep opposite meaning is shallow. So again here so many meanings, word and meanings are here. So let's do one activity. Write antonyms of the following words. Clear? So dear students, now some words are written here, so you have to write the opposite words of it. Clear? So now first is many. Many means बहुत सारे. So opposite meaning of many is few. Clear? Little, few. So many opposite word is few. Next one is give. Give means देना. So opposite meaning of give is take, लेना. Clear? Next is easy. This task is very easy. So opposite meaning of easy is difficult. Next was a simple. So simple opposite meaning is complex. Clear? Next is your dark. So dark opposite meaning is light. Like this room is very dark. Okay, so opposite meaning of dark is light. Next one is your shallow. So opposite meaning of shallow is deep, very shallow. Clear? Next one is your strong. Strong, you are very strong. So opposite meaning of strong is weak. Next one is tidy. Tidy opposite meaning is untidy. Clear? So I hope dear students it will help you a lot, and it will help you in your vocabulary also. So keep learning by this lesson, and keep learning students. Bye everyone, and stay safe.